Agriculture is being plagued by various problems. These problems directly and indirectly affect the life of farmers. In a country like India, they have to struggle hard to achieve sustained progress in irrigation. In order to reduce their difficulty, our project mainly focuses to assist farmers to identify their crop growth. If they get familiar with the mechanism of technical devices, farmer can eliminate several problems faced by them. This is the simulation of our project. In this, we have designed in such a way that farmers can manually feed the data of water level and quantity of urea they have used at the present day. Using this data given by the farmer, we can predict the growth of their crop. Initially, we designed a project with 3 modules. Firstly, ADC automatic data collector to fetch data like temperature, soil quality and prediction of cloudburst. Secondly, IYA to get data of water level and urea from farmers and interrupt the output. And thirdly, the camera module specially designed for image acquisition. The ADC module, IYA module and camera module are connected together. The data from IYA and ADC are sent to database connectivity. Here we have used Firebase Cloud Service, which is an effective database. Besides, to make it more user-friendly, this module is connected with SIM 900 GSM, hence the data will be sent as message to farmer's dumb phone as well as the web application on a regular basis. The web application is developed with a Python code where image processing and forecasting data are previously embedded. Through this web application, we have developed a portal for farmers. In this portal, each farmer will be provided with a username and password through which they can log into their portal. After logging into their portal, the farmers can feed data like name, mobile number, address, state, city, and PIN code. Our portal is designed to display content in multiple languages to reach customers around the world. On the home page, the predicted data of ADC such as temperature, soil quality and prediction of cloudburst will be displayed. And we have also used statistical tool packages like correlation and regression through which we can make comparison between the growth of their crop. If it is highly correlated, the growth of the crop will be healthy, and if it is less correlated, the web application will instruct the farmer the level of fertilizer and water they should use for the upcoming day. The camera module will capture the picture of pest attack plant and undergo a comparison using CNN technology, which is already embedded with the Arduino, so that the pest attack plants can easily identified and instruct the farmers to carry out the necessary precautions. This can enhance the healthy growth of crop production. In the report of World Government Summit states that although the demand is continuously growing, by the year of 2050, we will need to produce 70% more production. The reality is that very little innovation has to be taken to give exposure to the farmers, so that in any case nothing to indicate that food scarcity and hunger will not be an issue in the upcoming decades. And also, we assure you that our project will surely provide greater and more consistent crop production around the world.